Hi everybody, this is Sonia. Today we will be reviewing a product called Tinnitus Miracle. Tinnitus is a ringing in the ear. People who have it describe buzzing, ringing in the ear. That's not actually happening in the environment. And you can ask people who have it, it's unnerving. It's 24 hours a day. It can keep them up at night. Sometimes there's pain associated with it, hearing loss, dizziness, very, very unpleasant disorder. So because these symptoms are usually subjective, diagnosis can be very difficult, and it can take a long time to diagnose this illness. And it could just be very frustrating to, no one likes to go to the doctor 100 times and get little results. If you do get a diagnosis, often what happens is that treatments can be hit or miss. Many options require surgery or medications, and they, of course, can come with unwanted side effects. So it can be a real problem. This product, called Tinnitus Miracle, is a comprehensive yet simple 5-step program to treat and cure tinnitus. So that's a pretty big claim. That is very attractive for people who have tinnitus. This product is all natural, and there are no risks, so that's why there's no risks of side effects. This program has everything you'll need to eliminate your tinnitus and eliminate it permanently in weeks without using drugs and without surgery. So it's a huge plus to treat your tinnitus with this versus some other options out there. It was developed by a gentleman named Thomas Coleman. He's a certified nutritionist and actually a former tinnitus sufferer himself. On his website, he explains how what his experience was and how difficult it was for him to, get the diagnosis, go through unsuccessful treatments, and ultimately led him to develop this system which worked for him and has worked for so many others. It really gets to the root of the of the problem, and can keep it away. And another huge plus from this product is that people are saying that they feel significant relief in less than 7 days. And for someone suffering from this, that's huge, because this can go on for years. So, and then permanent relief of ringing in the ears within 2 months. So there is a link below to learn more about Tinnitus Miracle. The website that he has set up is very comprehensive, a lot of information on there, and a lot of testimonials, positive feedback from people who have bought and used the product. I just pasted a few on here to help, kind of see what people are saying about it. So it's a clinically researched system that's backed by over 45,000 hours of intense medical research. First person says, in less than 3 weeks, the constant ringing have now completely gone. I live a normal life without the horrible ringing sounds that used to drive me crazy. Sorry about that. So success story number 2, Richard Owers. Now in 5 weeks, it's like a miracle. My tinnitus has completely vanished from my life. This woman says the results from following your step-by-step instructions were phenomenal, to say the least. I can honestly say that my life is back to normal within 2 months of adhering to your suggestions. So that's very positive. Again, there's lots of information on the website below. And also it features bonus gifts with the purchase. So that's always a plus as a consumer, that you actually get some free stuff with your purchase. Also, the price is fair. To eliminate such an uncomfortable ailment safely, I feel that you're getting a lot for what you're paying for it. So that was good to see. One drawback that I found in reviewing the product was that a consumer really has to be willing to make the changes and take the recommendations seriously. If you'd want to have a positive outcome. It's not a magic pill. You'd need to be present throughout the process. So in that sense, you'd have to put a little bit in to get something out of the product. But the creator does guarantee his product and makes himself directly available to the consumer. So if you had questions about the product as it relates to your condition, he makes himself available, which is fantastic because so many times we buy things and there's really no one, unless it's a very huge product from a huge corporation. And even then, it's hard sometimes to get the support you need as you're using the product. So he really backs his and guarantees his product. So that's a huge plus for a consumer. And for the first 3 months, for a limited number of people, he's offering free personal one-on-one counseling. So that is also a big plus. Thank you for joining me. This has been a review of the product Tinnitus Miracle. Make sure to click on that link below if you would like more information about the product or to purchase the product. It's a link you will find right below this video box. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.